Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your PC so virtual desktops run smoothly. Make sure you're on Windows 10/11 with the virtual desktop feature enabled. This avoids missing controls. Once done, close GPU-intensive programs and free at least 2 GB of RAM so switching is snappy. Now press Win plus Tab and either click New Desktop or use Control plus Win plus D to create a fresh workspace. You're doing this to separate tasks and reduce window clutter, which improves focus and performance. Next, you'll populate and organize those desktops so each has a clear purpose. Use Win plus Tab to view all desktops, then drag and drop app windows to the target desktop. That's fastest for multiple windows. If you prefer menus, right-click a window thumbnail, choose Move To, and pick the desktop number. Make sure to pin frequent apps to the specific desktop from taskbar settings when you want them to stay available. Doing this reduces context switching and helps you mentally group related tasks. Finish by mastering quick navigation and cleanup so virtual desktops feel effortless. Use Control plus Win plus Left or Right to cycle instantly between desktops, and when you're done, close a desktop via Win plus Tab then X. Its open apps will move back to the previous desktop automatically. If you encounter lag or missing windows, restart Explorer from Task Manager, update graphics drivers, or reboot the PC. These steps clear stuck state and restore correct window assignment. That troubleshooting covers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.